Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the latest update on Instagram and showing you how to enable email notifications on your PC. If you've been looking to stay updated without constantly checking your app, this is the perfect guide for you. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to access all the features you need. Next, locate the small More icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Give it a click to reveal additional options. From there, choose Settings from the list. This will take you to a new menu where you can adjust various aspects of your account. Now, look for the Notifications section. Click on it to explore your notification preferences. You're almost there. Once you're in the Notifications menu, find the option that says Email Notifications. This is where the magic happens. Click on it, and you'll see a list of different email notifications available to you. Here's the fun part. Enable the notifications you want to receive. You can choose from options like activity notifications, direct messages, and more. Simply toggle them on or off based on what you want to be notified about. And there you have it. You're all set to receive email notifications from Instagram, keeping you updated on everything happening with your friends and followers without needing to log in constantly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching.